Instead of opening every product page, you can let customers preview product details instantly using Quick View. So for that, first go to WordPress dashboard, then click on On-Page Checkout, then click Quick View. In General Settings, first enable the Quick View. Here you can add button text and button position where you want to display the button. Then you can also choose the display type. It could be icon only, button, or text with icon. And from button style, you can customize the Quick View button. Then click on Pop-up Manage section. Here you can choose the Quick View content and adjust the model size, and can also select a loading effect. It could be fade, slide, zoom, or none. Then at right side, you can see the display settings. You can control where the Quick View button will appear. You can enable it based on product type or page type. As you can see, it's enabled for main shop page. Then you need to click Save Changes. Now visit the shop page. If you hover over any product, you can see a Quick View icon. Click on it. You'll see a product pop up with details, so customers can quickly check the product without leaving the page.